of our clients are requesting for the embroidery digitization training full course. So we have come up with a full course, full-time training, daily 1 to 1.5 hour. Duration is 40 days. You can attend daily in night time from 8 o'clock to 9:30. So you can practice in this course. We are going to cover basic to advanced concepts. Okay, we start with the basics, and we make you aware of all the software tools, basic digitization, punching, lettering, logo digitization, customization, design alterations, applique work, and mainly blouse digitization. In the blouse digitization, unique, boat neck, v neck, cut work designing, kids neck, saree borders, everything will be covered, and auto digitization is also covered. Tips and tricks, all things are covered. So if you are interested, please do WhatsApp us on 9100949956 for more details. Batch is mostly going to be started from this Monday, that is on June 9th. So keep up great work. Happy embroidery. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.